Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock time zone using Calendly application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open your browser that you're gonna follow this tutorial steps with. Of course, for me, I'm using Brave. For you, of course, you can use other browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you could be possibly using. Of course, then you'd like, as we said, open the browser, go here to the URL, let me just delete that, and type calendly.com. Hit the enter button then. So here, that will actually be your home/main screen if you have an account. Of course, if you don't have an account, all you need to do, just go and create your account on your main screen. So of course, if it's your first time using the website, this will not be your home screen even. You will have another home screen with getting started and creating your account. So just go and click on that, and you'll need to follow these steps to create your account. After that, you will find yourself here like me on this home/main screen. So as we said, we would like to lock our time zone using Calendly website. It's simply by going here to your account, clicking on that, then click at account settings. Here, make sure you are at profile section at account settings, and you would like to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, you will actually find an option called time zone, and of course, if you just go and click on that, you would like to choose whatever time zone suits you, of course, and choose whatever here you want, as we said. Then let's say, as an example, we're gonna choose like American/Mazaltan, and all I need to do now is just click at save changes, and I will be good to go. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.